I need to know how to fix refrigerator cooling problems.
First, check the temperature control. If your kids were playing with it, it may think that it should be warmer.
I do not let them touch the temperature control.
So make sure you did not mess with the temperature control when trying to adjust the humidity at 2 a.m. when you found water in the vegetable crisper.
Let's assume the kids did not mess with the control knob. They've gotten in trouble over stuff like that in the past.
I'll assume they are not leaving the door open so long that they let all the cold air out. Have you checked to make sure the seal is not damaged, letting the cold air out too?
I clean up the messes often enough to know that it is not.
I hope some kid was not hanging off the door enough to bend the hinges, so it does not sit right and let cold air out.
I think it is something other than the door.
How often do you clean it?
More often than the kids would like, given how often they complain I threw out the moldy things they hope to take for show and tell.
I meant the evaporator coils or cooling coils. If those are dirty, the heat transfer suffers.
It might be more than a dirty coil.
Start by cleaning off the dirt and grime. If the unit does not cool down further, then the problem may be a refrigerant leak.
That gets expensive to recharge.
If your refrigerator has copper coils or others that can be welded, at least the fix is straightforward and won't take forever. If the coils have to be replaced, that's expensive.
What else could it be?
The control board might be on the fritz. Does it have an error message?
I could not tell if it did.
Try rebooting it to resolve any control board errors, kind of like rebooting a PC to fix its blue screen of death.
While there are a lot of buttons on the control panel, Control, Alt and Delete are not among them.
Unplug the fridge, wait a full minute, and plug it back in.
That's the same process my kids used to hard reboot the game console. What if that does not work?
A fridge that is not cold enough is an invitation to food poisoning. Add bags of ice to the fridge or move food to the freezer before calling an appliance repairman.